Hello. Welcome to our channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH, and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, these are the charts of gold. And this was our setup from yesterday. So yesterday, when we were discussing about the channel, we also discussed about the possibility of a sell position here. After that, we also discussed about the liquidity grab here. The liquidity grab, okay, was not very powerful, but still, okay, it was a more than $100 move. But this particular move, okay, gave us nice profit yesterday. So overall, it was a good ride, okay. And for today, we need to focus on the right hand side setup. So this is our setup for the day. You can see that in comparison to yesterday, we have a cleaner setup. Why it is cleaner? Because if we look at the economic candle, we can see today we have FOMC minutes coming up. FOMC minutes, not a crazy major event, but yes, there may be some volatility. As a result, we can expect the market to remain sluggish or dull little bit throughout the day. And if you look at the market sentiment, you can see gold inches higher focus on Fed minutes. Gold prices edge higher in early Asian trade on Wednesday as US Treasury yields ease from recent highs, while market participants await the release of the Fed meeting minutes. So market is also mostly waiting. So whenever market is in waiting mode, we usually see a sideways market. You can see gold gains on easing Fed rate hike hopes physical demand market talk. And this is our setup. So if we look at the current trend of the market, or if you look at the lower time frame, then obviously you will see the market is a little bit bearish or market is under the selling pressure. But overall, the range of gold is still the same. Remember the range of gold? 4450 and then 4300. This particular range of gold is still the same, no changes. But one thing I would like to mention here is that, my dear friends, okay, as gold has taken support in this particular zone, there's a high chance that 4300 may not act as a support. So yesterday we discussed about the possibility of 4300, but this time, okay, but today I feel that there is a possibility of market going below 4300. I'm not saying that market will break 4300, but yes, market will come up again. But at first, market will take the liquidity or the stop losses. Why? See, first of all, okay, the support has been tested 3 times already. Not 4300 precisely, but 4310. Okay, this particular zone has been tested thrice already. So the institutions knows it very well that they have lots of buying orders around this area. So as a result, okay, there is a possibility of a liquidity grab. So what I feel is that, okay, market may go to 4290 or 4285 area and then market may come up. So if you are planning to buy, I will be suggesting you to buy 4300 after liquidity grab. And if you are looking for a very good entry, precise entry, then you can look for 4275. Okay, because when market is going down, there's a high chance that market will take support on a 4275, 4280. If market takes support there, you can buy there as well. This dotted line you see here, okay, this is a support zone for gold. When market will be coming down for liquidity grab or SL hunting, there's a high chance that, okay, market will take support around this zone. यहाँ पे market support ले सकता है liquidity grab के लिए. So if you are looking for a precise entry, okay, and see market taking support around this area, you can buy here. But if you do not want risk, okay, अगर आपको risk नहीं लेना है, then obviously it is better for you to buy at 4300 after the liquidity grab. Okay, at the top we have 4380, 4385. This is our level at the top. This green box that you see here, why are we considering it? We are considering this particular green box here because the previous support will be working as resistance here, no other logic. So during the day, okay, we're expecting a more or less choppy market. During the day, if market goes up, observe the market around 80, 85 zone. If market shows price rejection from above, we can look for a sell position here as well. Okay, and in the group, I have mentioned one more thing that, my dear friends, okay, in this particular situation, number of trading opportunities are less. Yes, Number of trading opportunities are less today also, yesterday also it was less. And obviously, if market remains like this, we will not get many opportunities in a market like this. See, you need to understand, when market trades in a range, trading opportunities are less because the reliable trading opportunities are on the zones of the market. And when market trades in the middle, it is better and safer to be on the side and watch the market. That's it. But still, we are day traders. Okay, we get impatient sometimes. That's why, okay, we are looking for opportunities. So be careful. And if you are a scalper, okay, risky trader, then you can look for 40 to 50 pips by around 4330. Okay, and if market breaks 4363. Okay, let me remind, these are high risk. Okay, these are high risk trade. If you're a beginner, new trader, do not go for it. Okay, because you need to scalp, quick entry and exit. So for example, if you buy at 4363, okay, if market goes up, there's a possibility for breakout. If market goes up, okay, you need to exit at 4367, 4368 immediately. If market takes support on 4330, okay, you need to exit at 4334, quick entry and exit. Okay. So these are high risk trades, some because sometimes market goes down completely and you need to exit also immediately. But the risky, अगर आप afford नहीं कर सकते, if you're not an experienced or a beginner, then you should avoid trades like this. But at this moment, to be honest, okay, I only see two trading opportunities, okay, on the chart of gold. The first trading opportunity is buying around 4300 after the liquidity grab, or 4275, 4280 if someone wants to take a risk. If market goes up, we can look for a sell position around 438580. This is the second opportunity. That's the only two opportunities as of now, because this is the condition of the market right now. But if you are a day trader, experienced trader, want to take some risk, then you can look for a 40 to 50 pips risky buy above this area. And if market takes support, you can look for a one candle bounce. That's it. Means within one candle, you enter and exit. That's it. Okay. So let's wait and watch and be careful, because market may get crazy during the Fed minutes. Usually, okay, not that crazy, but this is gold, full of surprises. Nobody knows. Okay. That's all from my side, my friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. And if anything crazy happens, we'll get an update in the WhatsApp group. Bye bye.